Oh, coffee. Nothing like a good coffee. Today, are you ready? Are you ready for another affiliate marketing blast? Let's do it. What we're talking about today is VPSs. What is a VPS? Why the heck do you need one as an affiliate marketer? And where can you get one? Where can you get one? Because there's so many options to buy one and to basically get one set up. So I'll show you the best place that I found. So are you ready? Let's get started. I'm hot. I need another drink of coffee. Hold on. Stop. Coffee. Yay. Oh, I'm ready. Nothing like a real coffee. Right, let's do it. Whew. Okay, let's start off on the basics. What the heck is a VPS? So basically, a VPS stands for, wait for it, virtual private server. Okay, let's go back to basics. What is a server? Well, basically, here's an example. Let's do this here. Here you are. Now, you need to look at a website. So WS stands for a website. Now, you need something called a server to be able to store all the information and obtain the information from. So that's what the S is the server. So here we go, there's the server. Now, basically, you want to view some information, so you talk to your browser, the website. The browser, the website goes to your server or to the server for the actual specific website. And then the information is sent back to you and you're all happy. Yay! So basically, the server serves information. It serves you the files, it serves you the website. Basically, it's a computer. That's it, it's simple, it's just a computer. It's a computer that serves files on the, on the internet. Simple, huh? Now, they often give computer terminology, different words as you know. So a server is actually called a box. They call them boxes because they are a box and they sit on a stack inside a server room. So basically it's a computer, which they call a box, it's inside a box. And what do you have in a computer? Well, it's the same as a server. A server and a computer are the same basic thing. You need memory and CPU. So there's your memory. And basically the CPU is the bit that runs the whole show, of course. Now, the bit that we haven't mentioned here is that you've got some disk drive as well. So that's what a server is. But basically, what is a VPS? It's a virtual private server. So that means it's virtual. So what a company does is, for example, there's the box. What a company does is take the box, the server, the real thing, the rock solid thing, and cuts it into small little pieces, which are like mini boxes. But these are virtual. It's just done with software. So there's lots of boxes and they sell it as a service. So you see the different sizes of boxes there. So you might want a big box, small box, so you can get whatever size you want. You can just go and buy it. So basically you have your own CPU. So the main box has a CPU or multiple CPUs and all you're doing is share it them. You also have memory, but again, it's your own memory because it's the main memory cut up into small little pieces and sold to you as a portion, as a service. So the bit I miss, of course, is the disk space. The disk space is the same. That's cut up and shared as well. So the whole thing seems really real. You've got an IP address, you've got your own CPU, you've got your own memory, you've got your own disk space, but of course it's virtual. And the whole value of all this is basically about cost, the dollars. As an affiliate marketer, you're going to want to be able to be conservative around your costs and your expenses. A VPS allows you to run multiple websites. It allows you to run lots of different software that basically you can buy for free that you need a box to run it on because basically you can host your own software. There's a lot of open source pieces of software out there that you can actually run and systemize your business. Because I tell you now, as an affiliate marketer, you start off with a couple of little projects and you're happy, you're great. What happens when you grow and you start taking on a team and you've got this incredibly complex system and structure to work on? And basically, as your business grows and you get more and more successful, you have to be more systemized. So VPSs are one of those tools that allow you to systemize and process and run software, run multiple websites. So it might not be the right thing for you as a beginner of affiliate marketing. But once you grow and you want to start really leveraging and expanding your capacity as an affiliate marketer, then a VPS is actually incredibly perfect. Okay, so where can we find one of these VPSs from? Where are we going to get a virtual private server from? Let's have a look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's have a look. Let's do it. Yay! Okay, let's have a look. Best VPS 2021 or 2021. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my goodness, do you want to look through all this stuff? You can do it. It's going to take you hours, and you'll try a few servers, and you'll do this and you do that, as I've done that. I've worked with many different clients in many different industries over the last several years, and I've sourced a lot of different things for clients, and I found a few key things. And this will help you as an affiliate marketer, because you don't have to do all the trial and error stuff that I've had to do as a developer, as a support person, as a consultant for my clients. And I've spent hours looking for this material to find my clients a simple solution. So let me show you this right now. Okay, so you can have a look, you go play with some of these, you can look at some of these reviews, and the top 7 cheapest VPN 2021. Well, they might be good, they might be top, but most of them are affiliate market links, and some affiliate marketers are not the most ethical. Oh, did I say that? Okay, when I give you a review, it's from my own experience. I work on my own sense of integrity. That's why I do stuff. So if I tell you something, it's tried and tested for me and my clients. So give it a go. Of course, if it works for you, that's great. Let me show you what I've found. Now, if you look at this video up here, in that video, I talked to you about basically how to get a server for $5 a month. I talked about a server called Cloudways, and basically that's like $10 a month. It uses the same service I'm going to show you now, I'll give you a glimpse of now. But instead of $10 a month, which is in that video, I said half price, so it's $5 a month. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, let's go to getus.at/DigitalOcean. Oops, typo. Okay, let's correct that. Okay, DigitalOcean. Now, the great thing here is that you get $100 for free. How cool is that? For 60 days. So basically in here, you can actually have a play, have a look around, take your time. 60 days is a long time. I think you're going to be pretty happy with that. Take your time, peek around, and you can play with this and do whatever you like. Now, let's have a look in here. Now, DigitalOcean doesn't call it a VPS because it's a pretty boring name. They call it a droplet. Pretty cool name. So you'll see at the top here that basically you have droplets. And now look down that long list. Isn't that a cool list? That's the incredible things that you can do with DigitalOcean. There's so many amazing things you can do with this. It's a scalable service provider. Incredible stuff. So as you can see, there's a lot of options in here. Anyhow, go into the marketplace, because if you're going to create a WordPress site and you wanted a quick droplet to do that, choose that. There you go, $5 a month. If you want to add extra storage to make it bigger or whatever, you can scale it. Choose your data center, lots of options. Fix up your other options, monitoring and so on. Don't worry about all this technicality. Basically, in another video, I'll actually explain that in a lot more details. So there we go, we've got our droplet in. We're going to change its name. We're going to add some backups. Yes. So basically backups are enabled. Cost you extra $1 a month for that. So off we go. It's going to create the droplet, VPS. So there we go. Whoa! Yay! Nearly done. It's very fast. It's like super fast. Oh, it's done. Whoa! Now, if you look up and watch that video up here about Cloudways, you can choose this service provider, DigitalOcean, as one of your service providers within Cloudways, amongst some other choices. But this, to me, is the best choice. So you can actually use the raw service here if you want. That's what you're doing. And that's why it's half the price, because you're getting like half the service. There's not much support here. You got a raw box, but great power. And cheap, like $5. How cool is that? So basically, let's have a look at that website. It's not fully configured. This video is not about configuring this VPS. It's just showing you that you can get it, where you can get it, and basically you can get it pretty cheap and pretty simple and build it quite fast with a WordPress platform already installed. So let's have a look at the IP address, 139.59.244.226. Let's have a look at that in the browser. And it's just going to give you a welcome page. Simple, bit of configuration to do. Now, when you start dealing with VPSs, you can start to see that there's a little bit more complexity. You got an SSH. You got a bit of learning to do. What the heck is SSH? And you know what a droplet is, and basically it's a VPS for DigitalOcean. SSH, what's that? Well, basically in another video, I'll cover off that sort of stuff. So you got your foundation, because this is a tech cave for affiliate marketers. So you're in the right place if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to build your technology and your tech skills. So I hope you got a lot out of it. We covered quite a bit of ground, and this is just an overview. You know, this is not an in-depth tutorial. It's to give you an understanding about what a VPS is, you know, why you should have it, and where the heck you can get it for $5 a month. How cool is that? So check out those links in the video, check out the links in the description below, and I'll catch you again soon.